Hi, welcome to Iijs Virtual, the first online mega trade show of the country. Followed by last video, today we'll take you through buyer's dashboard specifically for how you can book your meetings, see profile, and various other links. To book the meeting, you go to book meeting. There are the different slots available based on different dates that you have. You go on the respective date. You click on the respective time that you want to book the slot for. It will ask you one question, which is, are you sure you want to request for this slot? You click on yes and you click on continue, which means your requests have been sent. This color depicts that your requests have been sent, but the seller has not accepted it yet. When your slot is highlighted in green, it means the request has been accepted by the seller. Once you send the request and the request has been accepted, you go back to your dashboard, click on My Schedule. There are the list of the calls that have been scheduled for you. Click on Join Call to join the call. Click on Allow and you enter into this space in which the space is designed in two halves. The left side is for video call and the right side is for the wish list. So in the left side is divided into two halves. The upper half is exhibitors and the lower half is buyers. In case you want to end the call, click on this icon and it will end the call. You can join it again. In case you want to share it with your friend, click on share, enter the register mobile number, and when you'll click on continue, you'll be able to share this call link with your friend. In case you want to explore exhibitor's profile or other link uploaded by him, you go back to stall directory, you go back to his stall and you select video, profile, links. It will give you entire idea of what all he has posted in terms of visibility for you. Also, please make note, these are the requirements in terms of hardware. We hope we have successfully delivered the required information. In case of further assistance required, please call following respective numbers for help and assistance. Thank you.